Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm on my way to a place named Belglade. It's a farm. Avocado, soursop, all kind of different stuff they have on the farm. So there are so many things here on the farm, guys. Sugar cane, and let me go down a little further to show you what else they have on the farm. So you clean up the how kind of root that? Oh, yam root. You clean up the yam root? A Guinea and weed in name. Yes. Me go drop some for me.
We go take a couple plants.
And you can use and make tea. And it's good for blood pressure to me here. The Guinea and weed.
So a bastard cabbage.
That's Guinea and weed, guys.
No, a pastor. You know. This hour. That's something right.
Yeah, when yam dry. Oh.
They can come here now.
This
can come here. And we take up one. What's up? 113 pounds, you know.
The yam weigh that 113?
This give me piece.
Oh my God.
You know mozzarella? This give me one piece of mozzarella like so.
Look on the yam. See yam on the side there? Guys, look on the yam. Let me show you the yam, guys.
Then, the next time that give me one, you see, Antela, I never see kidnap on one piece of yam. So yes, tonight. What? Only one.
Guys, my dig yam at Belglade.
Why some black dirt to go through around the mint material?
No man, you have
permit to dig that too. Thank you. Thank you, man.
You have just a piece.
JP, not a Republic.
Not a Republic.
People, man, I'll buy me.
Yeah, man.
Let me see you dig out the yam. So guys, Mr. McCleary dig out yam. What a big piece of yam. Guys, look on the yam.
This one not free. Only deal.
Me a video the yam where dig out. A big yam that man. Eh? Because the bottom white.
But me take you up still.
So you can eat?
Yeah, man.
See the long piece of yam there, so?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, man.
The yam the guy, big yam.
I'm a plan, man.
Wow.
It
It looks like a rummy and lettuce, man.
In a while.
No,
man. I'm not going to give me seed, you know.
Okay.
A rummy and lettuce.
When do you cut this?
See, you the try with you? Where cut this there?
In the have right when they in through the back end. See nice the back end.
And this a rummy and lettuce.
Back you see nice.
Quite a few lettuce. So guys, rummy and lettuce. So many rummy and lettuce him have here. Also have pepper tree. Pepper is on the tree as well, you know, guys. Look, pepper on the tree too. Hey, that farm is festive. This is another farm I come. This is Belglade, guys. That's June plum tree, and on the June plum tree there are quite a few June plum on the tree as well. Yeah, but I don't know if you can see them, guys. But June plum, the funny man. Pepper tree again. Guys, upon the cocoa. But it look like dashing too. Some of that one for dashing or a cocoa. It look like a dashing or a cocoa.
How long now you
after the dirt so soft that you can dig out it with your hand.
Where boy there?
You have to gear that the story. And he will give me the story.
Never tell where hell is to tell bigger.
No.
What kind of yam this, Mr. McCleary? White yam.
White
apple, nice. White apple, okay.
5 years ago. A man promised, and then he promised.
White apple yam tastes nice with saltfish, you know, or salt mackerel or curry chicken.
You want some big leaf?
Yam.
Where casava then the way you have a broke down and a turn over up there. So you know eat them.
See yam come out of So yeah, now me I cook it with saltfish or salt mackerel. What your name again? What them bush your name again? Ah, those are Guinean weeds. We get some Guinean weeds, guys. They're good for make tea. Canes, guys. Canes, like, ooh, yeah, not much, but me know if you put it together. Cane, guys. Lots of cane, guys. Lots of canes. Guys, the garland just pitched down as him see me a video. Look like him want come in at it. Hey, me never. Hey, me went back to carry glass. Cause here dust. I first see Marl Road over here. I 1 and 2 aki the pan them tree, yeah, man. No much aki in the pan. Guys, it's a Marl Road. So I know go Jamaica alone have Marl Road. This is Marl Road. Yeah. Let me show you over here, guys. So this is the farm. And hi Kayla. You wanna say hi? Say hi. So that's Kayla. So I'm at Kayla's dad's farm. Okay, let's go, Kayla. Watch your foot on these holes. So guys, upon them hole here, them dig them hole here. So to plant stuff. Let me see if I can walk down. Oh, cane. They plant cane in it, guys. Did they cane them? So them plant the cane.
You know, I take it on this side. It's coming over here with less stone. Over right where you stand over on that side.
So all them hole here you plant cane in them?
Me never know so them plant.
Me never know so them plant cane either.
You live and you learn.
Oh, there's a pan in hole here. Them plant cane in them hole here.
This is not tractor, this you know.
Yeah, ground farm. But it plant different.
You're ready. Come here, ma'am. Come here, ma'am.
Okay, me come. Alright, me here with the farm man say. Guys.
You remember Shorty? A Shorty give me.
Oh, you see?
Yeah. This is one more cane hole here dig. Yeah. Yeah, I realize.
Daddy, I can't run much slower no more. Much slower.
Are you this?
Yeah, come. Come, Kayla. Upon the middle piece, it will slide down the dirt back in the hole. Yeah.
I just preach I used to care, you know.
What they something here? What they something here? Melon?
What?
This?
So that man, Amaka that.
Amaka? Oh no, melon is somewhere run. Melon run.
Man, be a kid in today, no. Yeah, Friday.
At least he might help himself in our pressure, you.
Then when we cook at the you just don't me no. And I like.
What you say? If that one nothing for 400 pounds or 2 ounce.
Mama, that man gone 400.
You gone 400 already?
I like that man. That actually.
It's alright. See, go on there.
Guys, that have coconut is on the tree. Guys, that have coconut on the tree over here. I'm going to dig soft yam. I don't know which part he says soft yam there. Guys, this is gungo tree. You never see a gungo tree beer? See these flowers them on it there? This is our gungo tree beer, guys. So this is a gungo tree on the farm. This farm is Mr. McCleary farm in Belglades, Florida. And that's an avocado tree over there. That's a mango tree, guys. And it start beer too, you know, have a lot of flowers on it, so you know, say, I soon mango time. Because mango time always been this summer, I think. So, yeah, that's a mango tree. And if you can look as far as you can see, guys, you see a lot of coconut tree, and those are cane trees. But guys, me not go in the bush, you know. Me not walk through the cane field. So me stay afar and do the video. And them also have banana tree. You see me can zoom in the banana tree. See the banana tree right there, so? Yeah, so them have banana tree on the land as well. But me not go down in there because me don't want no cane. What they call it, cane lice? Me don't want the cane lice catch my skin. I don't want to catch my skin, so me now go. So me and Kayla, we stand at the front. Kayla, what's her name?
Lily.
Oh, Lily. That's Kayla's baby's name, Lily. Okay, so yeah, so this is me and Kayla. We're hanging out as two girls. Plus our baby, so 3 girls. Okay, so the guys, they gone down to the farm to do their own thing. Okay, so yes, guys, that's how we're doing it at Mr. McCleary farm in Belglades. Yeah. So these are yams, guys. That's so much yam Mr. McCleary have.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Right, Kayla? That's a lot of yam, guys. And right now he's digging some more yam. Let me go up there and see. Oh my, me never get to catch when he dig the first yam. I want to see how him take it out of the earth. Let's see how him take it out of the earth. Oh, yeah, a lot of canes over that side.
Yeah, there's probably more canes.
Yeah.
It's really sprinkled and clouded with
Oops, be careful. So guys, that's an enough banana. That is 16 hands. 16 hands banana. Yes, guys, take a look at that banana.
This is New Jersey. This is where I go from the water.
Any one of them may get me techie. Kind of bean tree, guys. And the bean tree. Guys, this is chocho. We need to go on an arbor. So this time we're going to make an arbor to put the chocho on.
I am a village, you know.
If you are going to shake it, when you shake it for
One and one and let me cover your finger here, the finger. What now I'm going to back.
I want to see you take out that one. You come, never see how you pull out the first one down at the other bush.
Damn.
Yeah. Because he start to mess up here.
What was that? Yeah, me know what you tell me.
He start mess up. He look like a one salad. I mean, I'm not here.
No, man, I would say I'm in the
See the baby.
no big glass here, man.
So it we overripe then?
No, we got to be.
Uh-oh.
See them, see there, you know,
What is that?
Yeah, I'm right now because it make it what it stay in there and
So when I'll
then we teeth yam up here? Oh, you break out that piece. Oh, purple yam.
only one year it come like that, the other year it turn white. You hear?
So when I break off the piece now and then the other piece we left off the raw part, you left it start spring back again.
Purple.
Yeah.
But I carry. Me not think of 1 year then come purple. Me not think it change after that.
No, not go.
How did
Purple yam, guys.
Eh?
You can't change it one. Change it. Me call it.
How you do for change it?
The white one.
Your phone a
You
ring.
mix it with it?
You go so. You
Oh.
go so.
Mm-hmm.
I just stick in the white one. Like how this purple. It should be colored in the white one like this. And you should be colored in the come tie and dye, you know, come purple.
Oh.
You change it. Oh, you do
And it, okay.
you do that, Mr. Bennett.
I want them. Oh, that's pretty.
You see, that kills not tie and dye, that's how they go. Tie and dye.
How did that turn purple?
Because daddy mixed them up the last time he did them. All of these
For your bag. Me tell the car bag and say he will go back for bag in the car. Now he want back to carry the yam.
when someone come out, come out.
Boy. Farm day guys, farm day for us. Farm day for us guys, farm day. Man.
Fourth. This the
Huh?
baby I had. This the
Is it the fourth baby for you? Okay.
And then next week,
What time? Let me check and let you know. Boy, what a day, farm day. Farm day guys. Today Friday, yeah? Farm day. Yup. So Kayla is in the back driving. She's my little sparring pea, right Kayla? Yes. Hey. So me and Kayla were driving together. My little sparring pea. We went to the farm and then we are going back to another farm. So we went to, this is 2 farms we went so far. But the first farm that we went first, we're going back there to get some canes because we didn't get to cut any canes. So we're going there back to get some canes.
over there is the where most of the kids are at.
Over where?
Over there.
Over that side? A lot of canes over there?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes guys, so we're at the farm. Alright, so catch you guys. We're going back to the first farm that we came first. We're going back there to cut the
You
canes.
just drive
Okay?
like that down there.
Here now.
The boy don't use the casava, you know. The boy tell me say you have to push them down the ground. Broke them down and push them down. Ground. Cha. Huh?
So Mr. McClear is cutting canes over there guys for us. Yeah. It's kind of look like them sweet to do.
Like somebody come to them and then sit at them.
Not a cane over here though guys. Look like in that side of Florida you like a lot of farming going over here so.
Are your friend drop them here, man?
If like this is little like this.
Yeah, some of the fine thing and it will stick in your skin and scratch you. Yeah, we call it cane lice. He's wearing the gloves so it's easier for him so it won't stick in his hands.
Huh? Let me get some yaya for the one. I'll get to hear that now.
Guys, looking at car back. The amount of food I get. I get soursop leaf. I get guinea weed. I get coconut. I get yam. I get banana. And I have more yam in this guys. More yam in there. And I have more yam in this. So I have the white yam. I have one purple looking yam. And I have one other soft yam. Yeah. In this guys, 1 pan of pork. I go jerk that for Christmas. I don't eat pork, but I go season up it and jerk it. So all of this we get from the farm. In another bag here, we have some soil in it. So the black dirt we have in it, I want to throw my mint root right at the back of the yard. So I get 1 bag of dirt. Because down now where me live, I'm more like sand. So my stuff them can't get to strive the way how it should. So I make sure full of bag of dirt. Not really say full, but half bag of dirt. And put it in this. So now I'll get some cane now. So guys, see the cane them there now. Get some cane. You know, when I reach home, I go clean up this carrier so good because the amount of stuff in it. Now, sir, I can't let my carrier so dirty. I have to clean it out. Yeah. So, yes, guys. So, this is what I get at the farm. At Mr. McCleary farm. Bye, Kayla. So, I'm telling Kayla bye because I'm leaving now. Bye. She's my little sparring pea, you know. Bye. So Kayla is saying bye, guys. So we're going back to Miami. Bye, baby. Bye, Mr. McCleary. Thank you so much for everything. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So we're going back home. So we come raid Mr. McCleary farm. And we are go back away. And we are go back away yard now. Okay, guys, we're on our way back home from Mr. McCleary farm. It was a good day. This side up here rich, guys, black dirt. A long time I don't say black dirt, you know. Normally I always say red dirt, but up here so I can't say black dirt. But in Florida, I think most of Florida have sunny loop. But up here, only for dirt, good farming dirt.